Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials: model, budget, and space. First, confirm the exact Matter Aera variant and its power and size specs so you avoid surprises. Next, set a realistic budget that includes tax, shipping, assembly, and at least one accessory, for example, $50 for a mat. Also, measure the room footprint and door clearance in centimeters. Make sure the floor can bear the bike's weight. Once done, gather payment method and ID to speed checkout. Now you compare sellers and exact offers to find the best value. Start with the brand store and authorized dealers, then check reputable marketplaces for discounts. Make sure listings are for the Matter Aera model you want. Compare warranty length, service coverage, and return policy because those matter more than small price differences. Also, inspect shipping speed and whether white glove assembly is available. That can save frustration. After tallying total landed cost, decide which seller gives the best combined price and support. Finish by completing a secure checkout and scheduling delivery. Use your preferred payment method, check financing terms if used, and confirm exact delivery date and assembly option. Make sure you receive an email confirmation with serial or order number. On delivery, inspect packaging and snap photos before signing. If the bike is damaged, incomplete, or won't pair with your devices, stop, document with photos, and contact the seller immediately. Escalate to the brand warranty if needed, while keeping receipts and timestamps for claims.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.